A lawmaker from Abia State has confirmed that he was approached with $30,000 by evil agents from Delta North to vote against the creation of Anioma State. Few days after we posted that there was a rumor that some politicians from Anioma land are paying $30,000 each to politicians from the southeast for them to vote against the creation and zoning of Anioma State to the southeast. Now, these posts have proven that that rumor is true. Whether we like it or not, some politicians from the southeast will surely take that money. 45 million naira not be small money. And politicians from Igbo land where be say he too like money, he can sabotage Igbo agenda for anything, he go collect that money. This is why I said that if you hear that there is a rumor, don't ignore it, because that rumor might be true. If you hear a rumor and that rumor is against your interests, make sure you work towards that rumor and make sure that you secure your interests so that that rumor will never have an effect on your interest. As we start to dey propagate and say, see wetin we hear or see wetin dey happen o, our Igbo brothers from the southeast come dey observe. Like play, those evil politicians from Anioma don begin dey approach our southeast politicians. They offer them $30,000 to vote against the creation of Anioma State and the southeast. If you see politicians from Anim area saying that they want Anim State, that Anim State or nothing, and you see other state agitators saying that other states or nothing, you go surprised to know that those evil politicians from Anioma wey no want to make Anioma State join southeast go dey partner, dey work with those politicians wey dey agitate for Anim and other states. They go tell them say, una wey dey agitate for Anim and other, make una hold ground, make una not allow Anioma people to take this slot. We don't want Anioma to join southeast. People of the same interest, they work together. Whether we like it or not, we have to say this so that Igbo nation will hear now and call every politician that are agitating for Anim State and other states to order. Anioma State is for Igbo interest. What is that interest? For Igbo nation to unite. For Igbo nation to have a voice. For Igbo nation to get back their king called Igbo. Every Igbo man knows the importance of Anioma State to the southeast, to expand the landmass of Igbo nation, to increase the population of Igbo nation, to increase the resources of Igbo nation, to get back the lost territory of Igbo nation. Anioma land is a lost territory, and we Igbo want to get it back for Anioma people to be with their southeast brothers. Those politicians from Anioma where they fight against the zone of Anioma State to the southeast, they tell all these people where they agitate for Anim states and other states, say may they not allow Anioma State to come to pass. Politics is a game of interest, and people who get the same interest go they work together to actualize their aim. Igbo nation, hear this today, hear this, make una get this thing for mind. This thing why they talk, so make una listen to this thing very carefully. Say people where they fight against the zone of Anioma State to the southeast, they work with those state agitators for southeast, where they look for states. If the whole politicians where they southeast support Anioma State, those politicians for Anioma where they fight against the zone of Anioma State to the southeast, their power don't fall be that. That's why they are paying them to vote against it. They know that they don't have the power. All these politicians where they fight against the zone of Anioma State to southeast, they know that if the southeast agree that what they want is Anioma, and with the protests and rally that we Anioma people did in Asaba, we have defeated them. That is why they are spending this huge amount of money paying southeast politicians to vote against the zone of Anioma State to the southeast. We Anioma people talk say we want to make Anioma State go southeast. Who be those politicians? How many they? They reach 16 people. Now they want to decide the future of we Anioma people. We Anioma people made it clear that all those signing is invalid because they did it without the permission of we Anioma people. They did it for their selfish interests. Everyone in Anioma knows it. So those politicians are not representing us. They fear because they know say if Southeast agree, say Anioma they want, they cannot stop it. That is why they are paying politicians from the Southeast to vote against the creation of Anioma State and the Southeast zoning. I'm calling on Igbo Nation to support the creation of Anioma State and the Southeast zoning. Call the politicians in the Southeast to order. Call Anim State agitators to order. Call other state agitators to order. Make them to understand what we are saying. Anioma State did not add any part of the Southeast to its map, but Anim State will be created from Anambra and Imo states instead of Igbo to be expanding and getting their brothers that are in the south to join them in the southeast. They are trying to divide the already states that they have in the southeast to form another state. Other state agitation is good, but what is the landmass of the Igbos in Kogi and Benue states? Because you will carve part of Enugu state to form other states, and the part where they will cut for Enugu state big. If you cut them, you can't add the Igbos in Kogi and Benue to them. The Igbos in Kogi and Benue can be added back to Enugu and Ebonyi state through boundary adjustment without any state creation. Ndi Igbo can do it without state creation, without the creation of other states. We can get the Igbos in Kogi and Benue to join Enugu and Ebonyi states. If to say Anioma State they part of Southeast already, as they do say they want create state now, na that we go choose. Say make una get data to get our Igbo brothers in Kogi and Benue state. But as things be now, Anioma State is the right thing for Ndi Igbo to actualize now. Some people go to say you dey support Anioma State because of say you be an Anioma person. If you have been following the Igbo Unification movement from the scratch, you will know why we are agitating for Anioma State to be part of the Southeast. If some people see us now, they will say, no mind all these people where they agitate for Anioma State. They think say this our movement, say na Anioma State we take start. We have been agitating for Ndi Igbo to unite for so long before we started the agenda to actualize Anioma State. We have been making videos telling the world that Igbos are indigenous in 13 Nigeria states. We Igbo Nation, we can get all those Igbos back to the Southeast through boundary adjustments. Now waiting with the talk sense. Make we no talk say we won't bring back the Igbos in Kogi and Benue. Can't think because of lose a whole Anioma land. Anioma land is very big. Anioma land have resources. Anioma land have the population. Anioma land have the land mass. Are we now going to say that because of our name states that you will cut out Imo and Anambra to form? Make we can't take because of our name states give up on Anioma State? Are you now saying that we should choose other states that will cut part of the Southeast to form the state? You are telling us to take because of other states and give up on Anioma State? Some of our Igbo brothers from Southeast, they talk say, Anioma people, they are having identity crisis. We don't want them to join the Southeast with the identity crisis. May they not join Southeast finish now. They will come start to talk say, they are not Igbo people. Those are our Southeast brothers that are proud of their Igbo identity today. They should thank their chi that they are not Ikwere people. All those people where they talk all these things, if to say they be Ikwere people, they can't come out them from old Eastern region, come put them for South where they did today. You will never see them come out and say that they are Igbo people. They will tell you that they are Ikwere people, not Igbo people. If those Igbos are Okwane people, they will tell you that they are Okwane people, not Igbo people. And that is because they are not part of the Southeast. They are in the South. The reason why the indigenous Igbos in the South are saying that they are not Igbos is because they are not located in the Southeast. If those Anioma people there for Southeast since, and the Ikwere people still there for Southeast, they will tell the world say they be Igbo people. So we need to bring back our brothers that are suffering from identity crisis to embrace their brothers in the southeast. You see, as Anioma people, they do hear they tell say we not be Igbo people, make we leave us, these land grabbers, expansionists. Now waiting on go tell the southeast that time if to say una dey for south. So stop forming the saints. Not they form all those things. You not go take you anywhere. If you be Ikwerre person, you go worse past Ikwerre people. If you be Anioma person, you go worse past those Anioma people that they're not Igbo people. So calm down. Let's get our brothers back to the southeast. Igbo unification is a fight. Anioma state creation is a fight that we must actualize. Let's get our brothers back to the southeast and stop looking for excuses. Make we give up on Anioma state because some of our people for Anioma they get identity crisis. That one not talk. Anioma state where you see so many people are fighting it. The ones from those states when no one make Ibanke people join Anioma state, then they fight them. That's why I said that enemies have one thing in common. If enemies see say now this thing where these people they do so be their problem, even if all those enemies not know each other, they go team up, they fight that thing. So the creation of Anioma state not be just Nedwoko. Now for Igbo nation, and that is why it's expected of Igbo to support Senator Nedwoko. Let's get this Anioma state. The ones who don't want to make Ibanke join Anioma state, they fight them. They work to see say Anioma state not come to pass, but they will all fail. The failures who call themselves politicians for Anioma, when not they do anything for us, they sign against the zoning of Anioma state to southeast, as if you get anything where then they do for us for this south where we did. Because of say Senator Nedwoko not join on our league, all of us start to fight the zoning of Anioma state to southeast. People will not give us road, people will not give us light, people will not give us anything for Okwane land. They fight against the zoning of Anioma state to southeast. Shameless people. Igbo, if southeast politicians stand with Anioma state, say that what they want is Anioma state, those politicians from Anioma that are fighting it will become powerless. They can never stop it. Anioma state must be actualized and zoned to the southeast. Our southeast brothers support the creation of Anioma state and the southeast zoning. Igbo Bofu, we will never lose this opportunity. Support Anioma state now to be the 6th southeast state. A word is enough for the wise. Ishieware.